Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little Colourpop haul. I say little because I didn't get too much, but the stuff I did get is important. It was on sale, so I figured I would just kind of include it. My recent Colourpop hauls have been doing pretty well, which I did expect because I feel like everybody does Colourpop hauls, but I want to do more of them because it's just a brand that I like to explore. They have so many different shades and just different tones of eyeshadows, different kinds of lipsticks, different colors, so I slowly but surely am just kind of wiggling through everything and finding out what I like. But this is some collection stuff I did get, as well as random lippies and a single shadow that was on sale that I bought because I wanted free shipping. So if you want to see these goodies, then please keep on watching. So the main deal of today's video is what is on my eyes and lips right now. This is all using Colourpop's Kathleen Lights Dream Team and Dream Street palette. I'm holding this very weird because I have the liquid lipsticks in here, but I don't have them in their box. But I used both of these products today on my eyes, on my lips, and I have to say I'm really obsessed with this gloss. It's really pretty, not sticky, and it has a really pretty kind of like nudie tint that goes on. This eyeshadow palette is something else. I really enjoyed this. So keep an eye out for that video. It will more than likely be up after this video, more than likely, I don't know. But this trio that I did get, let's just get started. I love the packaging. That is just hands down my favorite part. The three lippies that you did get in here are also phenomenal. Like I did say, I'm wearing the glossy one. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. This is crazy great. I never wear glossy lips just because I'm not a fan of something sticky. I'd rather have something matte on, but this isn't sticky and it reminds me so much of their satin matte formula, which is the other two products in here. This color is great. I love it. I love how you get like a little bit of a nudie pink wash, but it's not sticky and it's so comfortable. And then the next one in here is the bold one. This is Riviere, I think is how you say it. Super bold. I honestly can't wait to wear this in like spring and summer months. It's going to be phenomenal. I don't even know how to describe it. Every time I see it, I think of like a coral fruit punch shade, but that's it. Kathleen is known to love those real orangey red shades, and I think she nailed it on the head with this one. I never thought I would like this, but somehow I do, and I really can't wait to use it. And then the next one and the last one is called Dreamy. This is also a ultra satin lip shade, and this is the typical, you know, mauvey nudie pink shade that everybody knows and loves. And yeah, these are just, they're a really cool trio. I really like it. You get two really staple products, and then you get one that's just fun and out of the box that I love. So I absolutely love the Dream Team trio. I think that was on sale when I got it. I think it's normally like $18 for all three, but I think I got it for $15. And then the eyeshadow palette also, I think it's around $15. Like I said, the eyeshadow palette is just great. I love the packaging. I love the colors inside. Great colors. They blend great. Just keep an eye out for this tutorial because I do go more in depth in there, but I definitely cannot wait to play with like these more blue shades, especially this sparkly blue shade down here is just calling my name. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. I think she did really good. This is the first Colourpop Kathleen Lights collection I've purchased because it's the first one that I've actually like been obsessed with or wanted. It's not super shock shadows. I do own like her Aquarius liquid lip shades and like her lippy shade, but this is the first palette or like eyeshadows I've gotten that she's collabed with. Another collab that I did buy is the LauraLee and the NKLA quad. 100% of the proceeds from this quad go to the No Kill LA shelter, which I'm all about. I'm all about helping, saving animals, everything like that, the more we can do to get them off the streets and get them in like loving homes or shelters. I'm all about. I think this is great. I love when Colourpop does this. Every year they've done it. I've bought the single shadow that they've done, or like example, this is a quad. I used to really like LauraLee back when she lived like in her single apartment days. I think before she even lived with her husband Tyler. I can't really remember, but I used to love her back then. I feel like now she's gotten so big and she's come out with her own makeup brand that her videos just aren't the same anymore. I don't mean to like bring this rant up in the middle of this haul, but I'm just kind of addressing it because this is her quad. I just feel like her videos aren't the same as they used to be, and I feel like, I don't know, I don't have that like kind of like weird connection with her anymore because she used to be so quirky and she still is, but I don't know, I just feel like she's lost like that true genuineness. I feel like some of her videos are just kind of like weird videos that I can't relate to. Maybe y'all can, but I definitely can't. I still watch them here and there, but not as often as I used to. But I did want to get this quad just to support obviously her, but more so the animals. They are their Super Shock shadows, so you have really pretty shades in here. And of course, I will definitely keep it in the box because, I mean, the box is cute. So the first shade you have right here is called Heiny. These all have kind of weird names to me. I don't know why. But some of the, like, pots that the shadows are in move around on mine. I tried showing Colourpop in like an email and they said that there's nothing they can do about it and basically that I'm stuck with it. So I wasn't too pleased with that, but that is the first shade right there called Heiny. It's more of like a kind of coppery peachy shade. And then the next shade we have right here is called Ritz, and this is kind of a duochrome shade, I think. Again, really pretty. This one definitely, to me, this one kind of has more of like a top coat feel for like an eyeshadow. It almost looks like a lip gloss to me, but it definitely has some glitter to it. You can see a little bit of like a silvery blueness to it, but I feel like it's definitely like an eyeshadow topper. The next shade we have right here is called Glitz, and this is like a matte transition shade. It's kind of like that mauvey pink that once again everybody just knows and loves. And then the last one right here is called Shiny, and I think this is another matte shade also. It's just a lot deeper than the last one, so it's more of like a winey brownish kind of red. These are all really pretty shades. Like I did say, I got them mostly just for the proceeds to go to the animals. In my opinion, anything to go towards the animals is better than nothing. So the other random little goodies that I did get, I ordered these a while back, but whenever I got these lipstick, it was like buy one get one free for lippy sticks. So I was like, oh, I have to order because I've recently kind of just fallen in love with their lippy sticks. So I did get 4 of them. The first one that I have right here is in the shade She Bad, which is a matte X is what it says. So, oh yeah, this is that really nude one. I have not opened these boxes at all. So this is like a really kind of nude. I can't get over how creamy these are. And that shade is beautiful. It's like a nudie, kind of peachy shade, but I cannot fathom how creamy these lippy sticks are. I don't know why I've never owned any in the past. I really don't know why, but they're so creamy and beautiful. And then the next one is a Kathleen X Colourpop one. This is in Lumiere. This is not, I didn't own this one. I own the Aquarius one. So I figured I could pick this one up also. And this one's definitely more of like a purple shade compared to She Bad right there. And then these are in different cute like teal polka dot packaging. This one is in the shade Brink, which is also matte. I believe all these are matte, yes. Yes, this one has more of like either like a mauve or like a little bit of a red undertone to it, but I really like that. And then the last one I did get is in Tootsie? No, I think it's Tootsie. This one is a brown, and who was wearing this? I think it was Kathleen Lights was wearing this, and I saw that, I was like, I need that. And I don't ever wear brown. I don't think I've ever worn a brown lipstick before, but I saw this, I was like, I need this. Oh yes, that is just, it doesn't even look that brown to me. Almost has like a little bit of a purple to it, but oh my gosh, I wish it wasn't like getting towards spring here because this is just so beautiful. I love all of these so much. And then I did get one pressed powder shadow from Colourpop. This is in the shade Blowfish. I got this because I needed to get free shipping and I needed like $2 or $3. This was on sale at the time, so I was like, okay, I'll just take this. But it's that normal just matte cream shade. I figure it'll be perfect for either highlighting or setting my eyeshadow primer. So this is all the random little stuff I did get from Colourpop. I will link everything down below, that way you're able to find it. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye y'all.